Tax-free cash growth warehouse money system. Aloha, how's it? I'm Stan Cox. I've lived here in Hawaii for some 45 years now, and I want you to know about this incredible money system I discovered that can give you peace of mind, take away your stress and worries regarding your money because it's guaranteed in writing. That's right, guaranteed safe with stress-free, guaranteed compounding money growth. It'll take away your worry about emergency expenses because it automatically creates a liquid emergency fund. This tax-free cash growth warehouse money system forces your money to grow with the highest compounding interest rate available. The system provides you with virtually free loans while your money continues growing with the guaranteed high compounding interest, doubling the power of your money, which lets you do more with your money, like eliminate debt and build your wealth. Now, what you do with the knowledge of this money system is entirely up to you, but you need to know about it. This money system has actually been available for 200 years now, but it's been kept from you by big finance so they can profit from your ignorance about it. The corporate giants have been using this system with your money and profiting with your money while keeping you and millions of others in the dark about it, forcing you to go into debt to them. How does that make you feel? It's time for you to take the power of your money back and literally force your money to make money for you. Imagine the peace of mind you will have knowing that your money is safely growing with the highest guaranteed compounding interest available, automatically creating a liquid emergency fund, eliminating your worries about any future financial emergencies. Because this system provides you with virtually free loans with no strict repayment contracts, all while your money continues growing stress-free, safely, and guaranteed, you will be free from worry about the stock market, how the stock market will negatively affect your savings and retirement. I can tell you, it's a great feeling knowing that your money is safely growing at the highest compounding rate available, and it's always available to you so you can leverage it to finance the things you buy or take that vacation you've been dreaming about. All the while, your money continues to grow more money for you, guaranteed and stress-free. And get this, all the while your money is growing for you, it's also growing a financial legacy for your loved ones. You need to know about this strategy. You know the saying, knowledge is power? Well, if that were true, the Google search engine would be the most powerful entity in the world, but it's not. All that knowledge is stored up there, but it has no value until it's put to use in a valuable way. When you put accurate knowledge to good use, that's wisdom, and wisdom is powerful. Knowledge of this tax-free cash growth warehouse money system will open your eyes to the possibilities of multiplying the power of your money and how that power can take the worry and stress off of your shoulders and give you peace of mind about your finances. Imagine going on that dream vacation financed by your personal tax-free cash growth warehouse money system, and at the same time, your money system is generating more money for your next dream vacation. To learn more with no obligation, send me an email and type book in the subject line or book a call with me on my Calendly page listed in the description box below this video along with my email. Yes, you can take back the power of your money. Force it to make more money for you, safe, guaranteed. Take advantage of free loans while your money continues to grow for you and create a legacy for your loved ones. Learn all about it for free and with no obligation. Just send me an email or book a call with me on my Calendly page. It's free for the asking. Do it now.